How to install the LCA liquid coffee dispenser. Note, the LCA unit weighs approximately 70 pounds. If necessary, use more than one person when lifting or moving the dispenser. Flush the water line to remove any debris or foreign material. Remove the shipping cap from the inlet valve on the bottom of the dispenser and attach the elbow fitting securely to the valve. Then securely attach it to the inlet fitting. Turn on the water supply and check for leaks. Connect the dispenser to the power source. Select Normal on the function selector switch. Then select Run on the mode selector switch. The red power LED will illuminate and water will begin flowing into the tank. The dispenser will automatically stop filling when the tank is full. The dispenser will not begin heating the water until after the tank is filled. The green LED will illuminate when the tank temperature reaches the preset ready temperature. Note, the time required to heat the water will vary depending on the AC power that is supplied to the dispenser. While the tank is heating, the dispenser may be readied for use. Remove the product shelf to access the pump assembly. Loosen the thumb screw securing the tube or retainer plate to the pump housing. Set and the retainer plate aside. Depress the tension screw and remove it from the notch in the pump body, releasing the spring tension on the pump end. Apply lubricant to the new pump tubing. Pneumatic part number 250031.0001. Insert the tubing onto the mixed chamber port and wrap the tubing around the pump rotor, making sure that the elbow and clamps end up on the bottom side of the pump body. Close the compression band, then reinsert the tension screw into the notch in the pump housing. Replace the tubing retainer plate and tighten the thumb screw. Replace the product shelf. Thoroughly mix concentrate by vigorously shaking the product bag and box. Pull the bib connector through the hole provided in the box. Open the dispenser door. Locate the bib adapter fitting. Connect bag connector to the product box. Place the bib upright and machine rotating into position with the connector facing forward. Rotate the bib adapter to avoid sharp bends in the tubing. Close the cabinet door. Priming the concentrate line. Select Prime and Run on the selector switches. Place a container under the dispense tip and activate the dispenser until concentrate flows from the dispense nozzle for 5 to 10 seconds. Concentrate may continue to drip out of the dispense tip. The user may wish to rinse the dispenser to clean out the remaining concentrate. Select Normal on the selector switch. The dispenser is now ready for operation.